In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Kit Form to WordPress website. If you want to add a form to your WordPress site, this method is a simple way to embed a form from Kit. You will be able to collect submissions directly on your website, and the setup is straightforward once you follow each on-screen action carefully. First, click Audience Growth. This is the area where Kit organizes tools that help you attract and manage leads. After you click Audience Growth, you should see options that relate to forms and landing pages, so you can continue to the next part. Next, click Landing Pages and Forms. This takes you to the section where all your form assets are stored. Take a moment to confirm you are on the right page, because you want to locate the specific form you already created or plan to use for your site. After that, open your form. This step is important because the embed code you copy will be tied to the exact form you select. When you open the form, look for buttons or settings related to publishing or sharing. You are aiming to find the place where Kit allows you to embed the form into an external website. Now click Embed. This is where Kit shows you the embed options. Embedding is the feature that lets you insert your form into another platform, like WordPress, without building the form fields again. Once you click Embed, you should see code or an option to view the HTML. Then click HTML. Choosing HTML ensures you get the correct snippet in the format you can paste into WordPress. This makes the integration reliable, since WordPress can render the code correctly when inserted into the right section of your page. After you do that, click Copy. This puts the embed code onto your clipboard. Before moving on, make sure the code is copied, because pasting the correct embed snippet is what makes the form appear on your site. Now go to WordPress and open your page. This is the page on your WordPress website where you want the form to show. When the page editor is open, be sure you are editing the correct page, not a different page you might have planned to leave unchanged. Next, click the plus sign, which adds a new block. WordPress uses blocks to let you insert different types of content. Adding the right block is what allows the HTML embed to be placed cleanly in the layout. Then search for Custom HTML. This helps you quickly find the block that is designed for pasting HTML code. When you see it in the results, select it so WordPress can treat your pasted snippet as custom HTML. Now click Custom HTML. After you choose the block, you should see an empty area or an input space where you can paste code. This is the spot where your Kit form embed code will be placed so WordPress can display the form. Then paste the code. Take your time here and make sure the embed content is fully pasted with no missing characters. In most cases, you can paste everything exactly as copied. This step is the core of the integration, because the form will only load properly if the full code snippet is included. Finally, click Save. Saving confirms the changes and updates the page. After saving, you can preview the page to confirm the form loads as expected and is ready for visitors to submit. And that covers everything you need to know. Once you have followed these steps, your Kit form will be successfully embedded into your WordPress page.